Alright, we got a Volkswagen Tiguan 2017 upwards. That's a handbrake switch we have to replace on it. So I'm already through it. This is a bit tricky. I thought I would make a video for it. So that's a cover that sits under here. There's two screws here. One is there, one is there. So you take this two screw out and you pop this off. And there's clips here, so when you pop it off, be careful, don't lose, they come out and they don't lose it. Yep. After that, the old switch, which was broken, typical, it's happened on the Tiguan since 2007-8, all of them this breaks. So that's inside there. Yeah, so first you have to take this cover out and turn it around. There's one clip here, as you can see. There's one here and there's one in the other side right here. So you push them away and slightly you can put pressure here, but the trick is in this side. There is a little flap on the front here. You have to push it back to take this off. That's all. And easy, this will come out. So there's only 3 clips holding it.